What's that say? Video rentals, free backup or something? Back? I don't know. Definitely already done.
Watch the video, don't it's not get wet.
Should ride a bike?
Yes. Let's call the running.
Come on, Mana! Mana! What kind of equipment did you have to have? What kind of equipment do you have to watch that?
TV.
Just
Pretty impressive, huh? You give me a call, it's raining outside, you want me to go down to Ford's. I'm going to take the camera with me and kind of show you what these things are worth. So far, I think it looks pretty good. Ah, here we are in the bedroom. This wonderful magazine type place where everything is so nice and neat. Look, there's the bed made and everything, and boy, this looks quite impressive. Nice desk there, no pile of change, you know. Nice closet, desk. Everything's so nice and neat. Posters. Even the carpet is clean, isn't that incredible? Yeah. So now we're gonna head out and go change a tire. Well, here we are going down Michigan Avenue by the slums. Isn't this fun? Yeah. Out in this rain. Might be home. Might have eaten pizza. Going by the slums right now. Going by that awful gas station they put in. Pretty soon be down by the Ford plant. Oh yeah, we got the demon music on. Now we're going down Hamilton. Nice 30-mile-an-hour street. There's a cop over there somewhere. Yes, I'm paying attention to the road. I'm not even looking through the viewfinder. Just hold it up, hoping it's in the right place. Do all kinds of things with these cameras, Dad. It'd be great to buy one. Yeah. Well, here we are at Ford Motor Company. Figure out how to find that truck. Let's see. Turn the garbage music off. Let's see. Hopefully it's under a light in this wonderful rain. Oh, I think it's it right there. No, that's not it. Oh, these guys on the motorcycles ought to have a fun time getting home tonight. Let's see, where is that truck? Well, as soon as I find it, I'll let you know. Seem to have found the truck. I guess you can't really make out what's over there. It's kind of dark out. There's one of those mirrors. But it's there. Here I am. See all this rain he sent me down to see. But isn't it quite incredible what this picture is reproduced like? In other words, I'm trying to... Well, here we are outside. Look at this fun mess we got out here. You notice there's no regular handle for the jack. I guess there's not much light out here at all. Well, it's all done. There you are in Ford Motor Company. I'm out here in the parking lot taking care of this tire, which was no fun at all. You had no jack in the truck, by the way. It went pretty easily. Hardest part, believe it or not, was getting that stupid jack back in the car, which I had to use. But I'm not gonna complain. That's right, Hardee's. Yes, 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 Hardee's. That's right. Now you can bring Hardee's home to you. You don't have to go to Hardee's now, Dad. Just get it on videotape. No, well, we won't get into that. But hey, man, after fixing a tire like that, there's nothing that can help better than a Swiss cheeseburger. No, I'm not gonna go inside. I look like a Japanese tourist or something, you know. So I think I'll just head on through the drive-thru, you know, and see what happens. Get me some food and go on home. But this has been fun. You gotta admit, neat video cameras, Dunkin' Donuts, and everything, you know.
Welcome, Hardee's, man. Take your order, please.
Yeah, I'd like a Swiss cheeseburger. Alright, mushroom and Swiss. That's yeah. And medium fry and medium Coke.
$304, please. Pull around.
Okay. Gee, they had their panel lights on their thing there was blown out.
Located at 14 Mile and Rochester Road, Obsessions is sizzling with some great drink specials. Thursday is our Wild Ladies Night Schnapps Party with low prices on the...
And it's neat, you just don't go anywhere.
Did you call that back?
Alright, thanks a lot. Yeah, neat, Dad. Bring Hardee's home to you. The whole... Now, wasn't that great? Whole tour of Ypsilanti, your place of work, your favorite hangout. You get to drive through downtown and get to stop at all the stoplights and sit in your living room all at the same time. Well, you can't beat that, can you? Saw a baseball game, and if I'm not careful, you might even see an accident. Nah, this is pretty safe. I'm not even looking through the thing, I'm just like holding on my shoulder. Back there at the drive-thru, it was sitting in my lap. I wonder what they thought. But as you can see, these things are pretty versatile. A lot of fun, otherwise I wouldn't be using it. But hey, for one day you can't miss it. We just passed the slums. Boy, I'd love to bring that home to you. There's some apartments. There's health food store, or whatever they call it now. Over there. And here's Mansfield sign. Interesting, huh? Right here. I can see it's pretty dark in here on the speed limit sign. But we'll be pulling up in the driveway instead of taking a right on Lathers. And yeah, you can probably hardly see anything. Now we're going up to the driveway, to the left. Yeah, we get the big yard like that, I don't know. Here's the house, more going across. Blast.